From a high of 92 cents just 19 days ago, down to 26 cents today, BioProtocol has been on a wild ride.
Yeah.
What's driving that volatility? Well, today we are going deep on BioProtocol and the whole world of DeSci.
Ooh, DeSci.
Decentralized science.
Yeah, it really does feel like we're watching the birth of the internet all over again. You know, back then, so much skepticism surrounded this transformative technology that we all rely on today.
Right.
I think DeSci, with its goal of disrupting how biotech is funded and how research is conducted, could be on a similar trajectory.
So BioProtocol isn't just another cryptocurrency.
Right.
It's an entire ecosystem built to empower BioDAOs.
Exactly. Bio is like the key that unlocks this network of these incredible scientific communities and gives access to all of their IP.
And the team behind it
Oh, yeah, don't forget about that.
has serious experience.
Yeah, they were involved with Molecule and VitaDO early on in the DeSci space, so they're not just building a protocol, they're leading a movement.
So tell me more about these BioDAOs. They're essentially community-owned research labs.
Yeah, think of it like a group of people pooling their resources and expertise to fund and govern research projects. They're like these agile, community-driven engines for generating IP.
And the range of projects within BIO.
Oh, it's amazing.
It's pretty incredible.
Yeah.
I was reading about VitaDAO, HairDAO,
Yeah.
and Long COVID Labs.
I love it.
It seems like they're tackling some very diverse challenges.
We're seeing communities coming together to address rare diseases.
Right.
Hair loss with HairDAO.
HairDAO.
Longevity research with VitaDO. It
Yeah.
really highlights the breadth of human needs and the scientific pursuits that DeSci can address.
And Long COVID Labs, their mission really spoke to me.
Yeah.
Long COVID is estimated to cost the global economy over $1 trillion annually.
Wow.
And right now, there are 0 approved treatments.
Yeah, it's a big problem.
So that's a pretty scary
It
situation.
really exposes the limitations of traditional research funding models. Long COVID Labs is stepping in to fill this void by repurposing existing drugs and pioneering the development of completely new therapies.
And the team.
Oh, the team's incredible.
Seriously impressive.
Scientists from Stanford and Harvard, it's not just a group of enthusiasts.
Right.
It's some of the brightest minds in science coming together.
It really shows DeSci's ability to attract top talent.
For sure.
These researchers recognize the power of these BioDAOs to break down barriers and accelerate scientific progress in a way that traditional institutions just haven't been able to.
Yeah.
And this is where the Bio Launchpad comes in, right?
Yeah.
This is the platform designed to help these BioDAOs get off the ground and really flourish.
Bio Launchpad simplifies and streamlines the creation of BioDAOs. It's more than just funding. It's about equipping these groups with the tools and resources to build a thriving community around a shared scientific mission.
And they've already had some big wins.
Oh, yeah.
The Long COVID Labs COVID auction raised over $2 million in ETH.
That's amazing.
It's pretty impressive for a project so early in its development.
It shows there's so much interest in DeSci investment.
Right.
People aren't just chasing financial returns. They see this as a chance to be part of something bigger, something that can improve lives.
Okay, so let's talk about Bio's market performance.
Right.
We mentioned that all-time high of 92 cents.
Yeah.
But recently we've seen a pullback. It's trading around 26 cents today.
Yep.
What are some of the factors that are at play here?
Well, it's really important to remember that the entire crypto market is volatile, and BioIO is not immune to that.
Right.
I don't think the current price reflects the long-term potential, especially since DeSci is still so early.
So for those of us trying to read the charts and make informed decisions, what are some key levels we should be watching?
Yeah, so think of resistance levels, like hurdles a runner needs to clear to set a new record. For BioIO, there's resistance around 26 and 27 cents. If Bio breaks through those levels, it could signal a surge in upward momentum.
And what about on the downside?
Yeah.
What are the support levels we should be keeping an eye on?
Around 24 cents is a crucial support level to watch. If Bio can stay above that, it suggests ongoing buying interest, which could be a positive sign.
And then there's the RSI?
Yeah, the Relative Strength Index.
It's sitting around 52 right now?
Yep.
Which indicates neutral momentum.
That's right. Neutral momentum suggests Bio could go either way. Its path will likely be influenced by broader market sentiment, and most importantly, the success of the BioDAOs that Bio supports. It's their achievements in the real world that will drive Bio's long-term value.
Okay, so we've got these resistance and support levels.
Right.
But how do we evaluate BIO's potential value long term?
Okay.
I've heard people talking about FDV,
Yeah.
fully diluted valuation. I'm not totally clear on what that means.
FDV is basically a way to estimate a project's potential future market cap. It takes into account the theoretical value of all bio tokens if they were all in circulation today.
So it's like a what-if scenario.
Exactly. It's a hypothetical number, but it helps us understand the potential growth.
Okay, so even though BIO's dipped from its all-time high,
Yeah.
the FDV suggests there's still lots of room for growth.
Right. And remember, BIO's success is tied to the success of the BioDAOs it supports.
Right.
If these projects deliver, if they make real scientific breakthroughs, the demand for bio could really take off.
It's almost like investing in a bunch of cutting-edge biotech startups all at once.
Yeah, that's a great way to think about it.
You're not just betting on one company.
Right.
You're betting on a whole movement.
Exactly. By holding bio, you're basically backing the future of decentralized science and its potential to revolutionize healthcare and research.
That potential for disruption is huge.
Oh, yeah.
Imagine a world where research funding isn't just controlled by big pharma and academic institutions.
Right.
What if patients had a direct say in the research that impacts their lives?
That's the power of Decide. It's about democratizing science and giving communities the tools to drive progress. Bioprotocol, with its strong infrastructure and this rapidly growing ecosystem, is really well positioned to lead this shift.
It feels like we're entering a new era of scientific exploration.
Yeah.
One that's driven by collaboration, transparency, and a shared desire to solve some of humanity's toughest challenges.
And the shift in power from institutions to communities is super interesting.
Right.
How will it change the pace and direction of research? Will we see cures for diseases that we thought were incurable?
Right.
Will we figure out how to live longer, healthier lives?
It's like science fiction becoming reality.
It really is. And that's what's so exciting about this space.
Right.
We get to be a part of shaping the future.
We're not just watching it unfold.
Exactly. And that's what's so cool about this.
So let's go back to that question we asked at the beginning. This time, do we buy BioCoin? Now that we've explored all these different aspects of the project,
Yeah.
what are your final thoughts?
Well, like with any investment, you got to do your research and understand the risks.
Of course.
But considering the potential of a Decide,
Right.
the strength of the bio team, and this growing community,
Yeah.
I think bio represents a really interesting opportunity for people who want to be involved in this emerging field. Obviously, the final decision is up to each individual.
Right.
But the potential rewards are definitely significant.
It's definitely a gamble,
Yeah.
but it's a gamble with potentially huge returns.
Right.
It reminds me of the people who invested in Apple or Amazon early on.
Yeah.
They took a chance on a revolutionary idea.
And that's a great comparison.
Yeah.
Bio has the potential to be a game changer, not just for crypto,
Right.
but for the future of scientific discovery itself.
So if people want to learn more about Bioprotocol and Decide,
Yeah,
where should they go?
the bio website is a great place to start.
It has tons of information about the protocol, the team, and all the projects being built on the platform.
Okay.
They also have really active Telegram and Discord communities where you can connect with other people who are interested in Decide.
Right.
You can learn from experts and talk about the latest developments.
Great.
It's a really vibrant and supportive community.
That's awesome.
And they're always happy to welcome new people.
This really does feel like we're at the start of something big.
It does.
It's pretty inspiring to think about how Bioprotocol and Decide could change the way research is done and accelerate breakthroughs.
It really is. And for investors,
Yeah.
it's a very unique opportunity.
Right.
It's not just about making money. It's about putting your money behind something you believe in, the advancement of science.
Yeah, like we've been talking about.
Yeah.
This isn't just buying a cryptocurrency. It's investing in the future of health research and maybe even living longer. And the exciting part is that we can be more than just observers.
Right.
We can actually help shape this future.
Yeah, by supporting Bio and being part of the DISI community.
Exactly.
So back to our original question.
Okay.
This time, do we buy BioCoin? Obviously, everyone has to make that choice for themselves.
Of course.
But after this deep dive,
Yeah,
I'm feeling pretty bullish.
I am too. Bioprotocol has a solid foundation, an experienced team,
Right.
and a growing ecosystem of really innovative BioDAOs. I think it's in a great position to lead the way in Decide.
Yeah, and obviously there are always risks with anything new,
For sure.
but the potential upside, both for investors and for society, is huge.
Absolutely. It's a chance to be part of something truly historic.
Yeah.
A scientific revolution powered by the people.
A scientific revolution powered by the people.
Yeah.
I love it. Well, this has been a really eye-opening deep dive.
It has.
Thanks for joining us as we explored the exciting world of bioprotocol and DeSci.
It's been a pleasure.
It's clear that DeSci has the power to change the future.
Yeah.
And we're really excited to see what incredible discoveries come out of this space.